le training sa o mawaina po le nursing training sa me. O le whata waina le o le continuum of Samoan life. Le iei le concepts le o le ola Aitu Mauli. Ata whaamala maina le vaenga le isa tangata fo le who appreciates that concept of ola Aitu Mauli. E maua le mafuanga walai ona pe e se whatupla i elo na mana malama i le mafuanga walai ona mai le tino mo po mai fale mafau ia po le madiu fo pe atanga ila le continuum of life. So ole pe atanga I fo le ye ole ola Aitu Mauli. It's always seen as a straight line. Ole ola Aitu Mauli. So lau training na ia ia se me fale tonu pe ase me ia lo se ngia lo Mauli. Wa ia se me fale tonu I lo mafau ia se me a fate ia le Aitu ia te oi. Wa ia se me fale wa e fefe po wa tutu ia o monge. The language that we used to. Ia ole ola a fia lo ola wa mai lo tino. Ai o mea o mane tolu e so ta I uma awa o lo tino. Le ia lo Aitu ma lo Mauli tono lo tino. Lo wa ula ia malama na maua mai ole o mea o mane tolu it's a tau on in a straight line I guess pe aka kam fai le visualize e lo se me fale tonu it's a tau on tali to fit that purpose afa pe fale tonu le tino po le ola ona o ma se mai o le tino ia una portfolio physical afa pe le Aitu Mauli le fo e tato taula se le ka o afa mai
yeah.
And you know, interestingly, when I learned more about mental health, Mayaku was when you're seeing
things. Yeah.
Things. But Ole Mauli was probably the depression. Saying lo Mauli. So that was like my understanding then. But it was around keeping the balance of those three to ensure that everything is working accordingly. And those three are affected by your environment and your interaction and connectedness to your environment. It goes back to le Melissa mentioned more about how do you react to things that are coming at you. Po ole mea wa e alkan ka le fa ke ia like ke ia ma ko stress ia o la wa ke ai tang sa le amo moli mai se mata upu se anganga voilele malu maulalo slowly attack ko ia ilunga malama inga ia malama so it's not so shocking le kalala
very aligned with the mental health le teaching ale mental health ole physical le pe ole biological, psychological, ole social context ma le culture. O mea upanga explain ai le mental health.
Mango vola le ola ale lo se ola wa e oti.
Ya, yo vole se mea. E lo sto oti ke yo mea. E kusala famul mole Alaimoana ole ile tele la o tatu tangata tele ina sa ile spirituality ile loku ai se ame e ka wa ile spirituality ile health pole well-being o tatu tangata.
I think from my own experience and from my own learning for ile lived experiences mo le mele ole spirituality kusa iloka ikaman malama for ile yai ole spirituality le which was introduced into our but we were already spiritual people the thing is when the Western spirituality was introduced we easily accepted because it aligned with our own tangaloa alani male America ko value nga ole presence, the omnipresence, or there's a spiritual. So I feel like, for context, that's why it's important to us, because it was in existence before the Western spirituality came through. So I feel I push I go to seek spirituality because of that imbalance between the three continuum of life. We don't know anything outside of that apart from the introduction of the biomedical model now. But in that sense, we always went to Kaulasia for Maiaiku, because that's where we were seeking the balancing of that spiritual. Now that we go to faith or the locule, faith, Christianity. Because that's what we know now. We have to go for healing, for faith healing. So there's nothing, I feel like it's a big help to understand that concept that we still need peace. And that's my understanding and my explanation. Why don't they just take the drugs? But yeah, it's that unseen connection that we have, and we can only get that through the spiritual healing. I don't say that I'm an expert in that, but from my experience.
Malo faftai, sa ole lau sa noa, ilo unga lue ai lai le mental health. E pe lau le na tata ua ole ola no mauli ma le aitu. Ia pe fo lai nei le Western teaching lea ole biological, psychological, ole culture ma le social. Ia e link uma mea ia explain mai ai o feeling or kangaka ilai ai longa environment. Ia pela o ilo ai ui le spirituality o le koa o le kako culture. Wa mantua e alanga te ule va fe alolo ai malesika ngaka e le spiritual protocol in there. Walanga e alanga ke ule le va malesika ngaka awa ke fa ikale ska ngaka. Onga ia ke ule le va le lea e fiwa le se alu e alu ni loku fa pe o la alu e mo mai ko file mua le ale ba male male kangaka le o fa le kongu le ba o soli foile le kwa o i male kangaka me fa pena ele mo se to file mo se vanga na o fa le se fo ona no fa fita o lo nga mala wa o ile spirituality i to tonu o le mental health o ele yo o tangata e nga solo mai le mental health. Ia mantua e fo i malemele wa e lonely. Wa e malanga mai i le nei atu no wa le ai so support system. Ia wa le ai se connection mesa e matanga kilo e wa le ko kilo e. Koe la e me fia mga oe wa la ko kaukala i le singanganga. Kusala wa mai e ale loneliness fo ingale i le kangaka. Ia o le melanga o le sikangaka e distress ai fo. Ma le se moe. It all goes back to connect. E whakaua ia i le kokongo le mental health. E pefo o ke le lopo e sila fia le fono fale model. Le a pui maono. Ia o le model langa e whaonga i kongo le mental health. E le po o le spiritual. Spirituality. E whakaua i fo inga le kokongo le mental health. O le kangaka a koa lea. O anga lea le distress le kangaka. If you assess people, you need to look at this framework. Ia ma e ilo aina ia holistic. Ia kilo i le soifua manguia o le mawhawhau kangaka. Ia po le alme wa sufa i mai el kangaka. O nga ua mawhakia longa mawhawhau. Ia ola unga interpretation on spirituality.
I kanga ila le fono fale model. Fale konga se pounga se kasi. Wale pa lengi uma ia le So it does apply to that. Le ai se foundation wale anga le fa avai o le fale ia o fale kongo po ina.
Yeah.